Yeah, hi, Maurizio in Italy. This is Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've got your laser here, your CD part. So I'm giving it a clean and getting it ready to ship out for you because you want me to ship it on the 28th. So I just wanted to show you it all working. Okay, so basically you got a new laser in there. You've got a 6.8 version software in there. Okay, on the back of the board. This system here is for Bang & Olufsen, but it's a 1255. But you can also use it. You can also use that for you know, high-end other stereos. That's exactly the same as a 54. Okay, there's no difference except the spindle top. But so I'm going to play it for you so you can see it all working. Let me just turn that music up. You can just hear that playing. You can hear that just coming on there. Oh, that's so I'll just go up. Just turn that off. Right, so I'll put another CD on there for you. You can see that all working. Yeah, you can just turn that up. So yeah, you can see it all fully working there. So yeah, you shouldn't have any problems with that at all anyway. So yeah, thank you very much for your business, and I appreciate your business. And if there's anything else you need, just turn it off, just let me know and I'll be happy to help you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.